ERC, quality service since 1972, repairing TVs, console stereos, electronic musical instruments, pinball machines, arcade games, and more. Call 836-0454.
You've clicked on the Weather Xtreme video from ABC 3340. I'm meteorologist Brian Peters for this February the 10th edition. Let's go ahead and quickly get to some Skycam images. Sun just rising across the Tennessee River as we look at the Decatur Skycam imagery there. And then down at Demopolis, kind of the river tour. Here's the Tombigbee River, and I like seeing the river running full. And how about the pond to the south? Gulf Shore Skycam, beautiful shot. Love to have my toes in the sand down there. Another dry cold front expected to move through the state of Alabama today. As we can see, it poised across Kentucky along the Kentucky-Tennessee border. And in the upper atmosphere, we've got a fairly long wave trough over the eastern half of the country with a closed low there just on the north side of the Great Lakes. Temperatures across the area, man, look at that gradient up there around Chicago as you head from the Ohio River Valley back to the northwest. Temperatures drop off as much as 50 degrees, but across the southeastern U.S., we're relatively mild. Slightly closer look there, and you can see temperatures running from 30 at Tuscaloosa to around, looks like 27 at Anniston, so kind of a cool morning. That system across the Northeast is giving quite a bit of wind problems and a little bit of weather problems. And for us, it looks like the QPF keeps inching backwards instead of forwards. We're expecting rain primarily in the Tuesday, early Wednesday time frame, but the QPF numbers continue to be inching backwards instead of forwards. Slight risk of severe for day 2 across parts of Oklahoma, northern Texas, and western Arkansas with the next system. All right, let's get to the 06Z GFS model run. Here is the 500 millibar pattern around 18 to 20,000 feet for Monday at midday in a rather zonal flow. So Monday looks like it'll be a fairly nice day with temperatures probably around the upper 50s. By Tuesday, that trough that was just to our west begins to intensify, and with it, a new storm system forms and will be dragging a cold front across the lower Mississippi River Valley. That cold front, as we can see, will reach our area about, this is midnight, Tuesday night into Wednesday morning. And then by midday Wednesday, most of the precipitation is well out. Now, a big change here in the GFS. This trough is much stronger and deeper than it was forecast yesterday. And notice the 540 thickness line. So it looks like Wednesday could be a bit of a raw day, perhaps temperatures not even getting out of the 40s. So we'll be watching for that. No winter weather, though. On Thursday, the upper atmosphere recovers quickly. We're back under a bit of a ridge with a southwesterly flow and another trough over the Four Corners area. That's going to help to develop a new surface low over West Texas. That surface low will move quickly into the mid-Mississippi River Valley, but not intensify that much. So here comes the trough, and I point out this Saturday 500 millibar pattern. I hate it when the GFS has double-barreled troughs in there. That could mean some interesting issues. No winter weather or anything like that, but at the surface, you notice it's getting rather cold temperatures with that cold trough down over Texas with some precipitation our way. Not a lot, but some. And then by Sunday, the GFS is hinting at a fairly, this is a Saturday night midnight, a fairly strong surface low, too far south to provide us any real threat of severe weather. That low zips over to the southeast Atlantic coast by Sunday at midday, and we should be seeing improving weather on Sunday. All right, let's go out into Voodoo Land just a little bit further here. Well, this is a week from tomorrow, so not quite Voodoo Land, but that fairly strong trough over the eastern half of the country, and we should stay dry, but it looks like a bit cooler, as you can see by the 540 thickness line running there just around Decatur or so. Now let's go out into Voodoo Land, and by 300 hours, or Friday the 22nd, it looks like another trough over the eastern half of the country. And with that, another frontal system being dragged down through the southeastern United States. And finally, Monday the 25th, we're under a ridge. It looks like it'll be dry, but there is a front lying here, probably just to our north, it would appear. But be careful, voodoo land here. We can't go much with the details. Well, we certainly appreciate you tuning in. Don't forget, this Tuesday, we will be in Northport at the Civic Center for Storm Alert 2008. Remember, the doors open at 5. All shows start at 7. Hope that you can join us out there. It's a great program. I think you'll have a good time. Hope to see you there, and hope that you have a great Sunday. God bless.